Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Pikos, and I'm CEO and founder of the Pikos Institute and Coastal Jaw Surgery. And I would just like to share a few words with you regarding the impact that StellaLife has had on our private practice for the past year and a half now. But quite honestly, after using it now with our patients for approximately 18 months, I can tell you that across the board, it's been an amazing experience for all of us, for my staff, certainly for me, and most importantly for our patients, because the feedback has been tremendous. I think the dramatic change that we've seen has been very impressive, to say the least. We actually have had patients now who ask for more of the StellaLife, and in this day and age, especially of opioid problems that we're having in the States in particular, we're certainly writing for much less narcotic medication than ever before, and what's helped that along so well is the use of StellaLife. The gel in particular, as well as the rinse, have proven to be a nice 1-2 punch for dramatic accelerated wound healing, minimizing the discomfort and morbidity in general of our patients.